ndị Igbo nwe m nọ, ndị Igbo nwe m ndewonu, ndị Igbo kwenu, ndị Igbo kwezuenu. We are here again. We are here again. My name is, I am Biafra Oracle. And we are here again. We are here again on this matter. We are again on this issue. We are again fighting this battle, and we must fight it, and we must tell these Muslims, we must tell all these Islamic, whatever they call themselves, that we are here. We are not going anywhere. We are here, and we will deal with them. If you like, hire whoever you want to hire. If you like, bring whoever you want to bring. We are here. We will deal with you people. On this X, all of your propaganda, everything you are bringing on. If you like, hire and pay. In fact, distribute your money, pay, let people eat. But one thing I can assure you is that Igbo people can never become Muslims. We cannot. It doesn't match our lifestyle. We cannot. Naturally, we can't. You have done all you can in a Ebonyi State. You've done all you can with Rocha Sokorocha, buying our boys, paying money for them to become Muslims. You have done what you can with Hope Uzodinma to be able to get our people to even to marry Fulanis for free. You have done everything to make sure that Islam is brought into Igbo land, but everything has failed. Everything has failed. Can't you people rest? Can't you people rest for once? Now you're going to Yoruba people, going to Igala people, hiring people to, to peddle false narratives, trying to draw sympathy, trying to see if there's any way you can get a group of people in Igbo land, to be able to, I don't know how to put it, but I love this, our sister. Adigbo Global Mama, you see Kenny Hine, you are doing well. You are doing well. Your analysis is top notch. Your analysis is number one. I love what you are doing. In this video, you will listen to her. She shredded these people in pieces. She destroyed them. She destroyed these people. I can assure you. I will allow this. This is the part one, and I'm playing the part two. I want to allow you to listen. I love how this, if these people can at least think for once and understand that there is no place for Muslims in Igbo land. There is no place. It's impossible. It is just natural that Islam will just die a natural death. Of course, they have done everything by now with all of their investment and whatever they have done in Ebonyi State. The whole of Ebonyi State is supposed to have become Islamic. But today, what have they done? The people of Ebonyi State have taken their money, it survived by their money and by whatever they are doing in a bid to convert them. Today, you will listen, you hear this, our sister. Every one of them that have taken their money in those days in Ebonyi State to become or have all converted back to Christianity. You can't do it. You're just spending your money for nothing. We are your stumbling block, your Islam. Even though you conquer the whole world, you see that particular place they call Igbo land will remain without Islam until the end of this world. I can assure you that. I can assure you that. So, if you like, bring in money, give people, they will take your money, and at the end of the day, they will push you. You just spend your money and go like a stupid person and move, and they will turn back to what they originally are by nature. I am happy with what our sister did. I am going to play it. Listen and listen very carefully. I love this analysis, and that is why I am bringing this analysis to you. You need to listen. And I ask you, I call on you to do what? Please share this video. This video needs to get to these Islamic people trying to all nonsense they are trying. They need to listen to this. They need to listen to this. So, can we go? Let's go. Let's go and listen. Our sister Ada Igbo Global is hot.
It's fake of an nice service. The Igbo starts. Suddenly, you all are now conversing support of Igbo Muslims or whatever you all call that. I don't even care. You guys have been coming up with lies, propaganda, and calumny just to find reasons to sow seeds of discord in Igbo land. Well, listen to me. You better stop that nonsense. Because we Igbos, in the first place, don't fight over religion. Nah, we don't do that. We have only died and fought for. Biafra is not about religion. It was about survival, justice, and determination. When it comes to religion, we are relatively peaceful people and religious tolerant people. We are mostly Christians and traditionalists, but have you seen Islam? It is a direct opposite of who and what we are. The totality of our essence and worldview scream Islam. I can't get better Lakoba. Is it possible? Nah. You know, the truth is that Igbos are the primary reason why Nigeria has not and cannot be Islamized. The Igbos are the reason why Nigeria is still a country. Look at the north. Islam has spread through all the northern states and all the southwestern states. Sharia laws reign supreme. Listen, we don't give youth about you whatever, but just know that Islam has no room in Igbo land. That's the reason you are hating us. We know, right? From outside, Igbo stood like a brick wall, stopping Islam from ravaging Nigeria. We know. It is only in Igbo land that Islam met fierce resistance. 99.99% of Igbos are Christians and traditionalists. Islam came to Igbo land first before Christianity, but our ancestors reject vehemently because it is a direct of who we are and what we believe. If you come to Yoruba land today, more than half of the population are now Muslims. We are talking of over 60% too. Even in mixed regions like Delta and Edo, factions like the Anyoma and Ibanki remained largely Christians and continued to support religious freedom and diversity. Now, let us be clear about something important. The Igbo people did not reject it out of hatred for Muslims. They rejected Islam as a social and political system because it did not align with Igbo culture, values, and way of life. This is a very important difference. The traditional Igbo society is independent and egalitarian. This means no single ruler controls everyone's thoughts or lives. Decisions are made through cautions and consensus. Everyone has a voice, no matter their background. People are encouraged to question, debate, and think for themselves. In Igbo, leadership is shared. Authority is not absolute. A person earns respect, wisdom, hard work, and character, not just by title or birth. Islam first came to Igbo land before Christianity. Our ancestors rejected it strongly. Why? Because the form of Islam that arrived was tied to centrality, where power is concentrated in the hands of religious and political leaders, and obedience is often expected without question. That structure did not fit the Igbo way of life. It did not. The Igbo worldview does not support support a system where one authority controls belief, law, and personal freedom all at once. Any system, religious or political, that limits questioning personal choice or freedom is usually resisted by the Igbo. This is why Islam spread easily in places where society was always around kings, emirs, or central authority, but met strong resistance in Igbo land. When Christianity later arrived, it came with education and literacy, schools and learning, new skills and opportunities, social mobility. These things matched the Igbo belief that any child can rise through hard work and education. The Igbo saw education as a ladder, something that could lift a poor child to success without needing family power or inherited privilege. This fits naturally into Igbo value of enterprise, ambition, and progress. That is why Christianity spread widely among the Igbo because of force, but because it aligned with their desire for growth and self-advancement. Over time, this resistance had a national impact. Islam spread across most of Nigeria and much of the southwest. In some places, religious law became deeply tied to governance. But in the southeast, Islam did not take hold in the same way. Because of this, the Igbo region became a kind of buffer, a place that helped keep Nigeria religiously balanced. This is one reason Nigeria did not become a one religion country, because of the Igbos. You guys are supposed to be respecting us in this country, especially all these minority tribes. So now you don't, most of you don't. Igbos break out from Nigeria, you guys will cry. I'm not even laughing. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. Our content creation class is on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just DM away. Bye.
All right.
Brace your joints.
Thank you, Adebo Global. We are going to go for the second. We are going to go for the second part of this, part 2 of this program, where our dear sister Adaibo Global is doing justice to this whole mess, where she's handling them the real way it's supposed to be, telling them the truth that no one else will tell them. Aligning, the understanding, if at all they have one, to be able to understand that there is no place for Islam in Igbo land, no matter how hard they try, no matter how much they spend, no matter how whoever they meet. They have used the governors, they have used the culture, they have used they have used the ones in the Ebonyi state, yet they have not succeeded. And they will never succeed. Adaibo Global is doing justice to this. And that is why I am bringing up here, so that you can listen. So I think it's important we move in to the second aspect of this, so that you listen and understand clearly what is going on. And before I play this video, before I play the second part, so I want to urge you, our land, Igbo land, and Biafra in general, is for us to protect. It's for us to protect. If you are sitting on the fence thinking that it doesn't concern you, look, ndị Igbo si na ọgbasaghị mba na ọgbụ na ọgbasube, ọgbasuo ọgbasaghị. So if you are sitting on the fence, if you don't have money, support by praying. If you have access to the internet, support by bringing out programs just like Adibo is giving it to them. In every way, You have to. You can. Please support. And I wish to tell, and I want to also tell to those people who are sitting on the fence, that there is something called Biafra Republic Government in Exile, with the BDF, the